So hello guys, welcome back to the new tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to see how to use minimum line of analytics pane in Power BI. So for this tutorial, I'll be working with this online retail dataset. And in the report pane, I have already made one bar chart which represents sales by subcategory. Now let's say we want to find out which subcategory is generating the minimum sales. Over here, since we have less number of bars, one can easily find out which subcategory is generating minimum sales by just looking at them. But what if we have more number of bars? At that time, it becomes difficult to find out by just looking at the bars. So at that time, we can make use of minimum line. So over here, what I will do is I will generate a minimum line, and by just looking at the minimum line, we can easily find out which subcategory is generating the minimum sales. So let's see how we can do this. So for that, just click on the visual. In the visualization area, we have an option known as analytics. So just go over there, click on minimum line, and just click on add. I will change the color. Let's say this one, so that so as you guys can see, by just looking at this minimum line, we can easily find out the labels subcategory is generating the minimum sales. So in this way, we can make use of minimum line in our visual. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos.